Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Jjsploit Roblox on mobile. First, ensure your mobile device meets the minimum system requirements. You'll need Android version 7.0 or higher and at least 2 GB of free storage. A stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, is crucial for a smooth download process. These initial checks will prevent common installation issues and ensure a better experience as you proceed with the setup. Next, open your mobile browser and go to a reputable website offering the Jjsploit mobile application. Carefully download the APK file. It's usually about 50 megabytes. Before installing, you must enable install from unknown sources in your device's security settings. This allows your phone to install apps not from the official App Store. Once enabled, locate the downloaded APK file in your notifications or file manager and tap to begin the installation. After installation, launch Jjsploit and grant any permissions it requests, such as storage access. Then, open the Roblox application and join any game. Switch back to Jjsploit and you should see an option to attach it to the running Roblox process. Once attached, you can access the script executor. Simply paste your desired Roblox scripts into the provided text area and tap the execute button to activate them within your game. Experiment with various scripts to enhance your gameplay. Finally, remember some crucial considerations. Always download Jjsploit from trusted sources to protect your device from malware. Be mindful that using any third-party exploit, like Jjsploit, can violate Roblox's terms of service, potentially leading to a temporary or permanent account suspension. It's also wise to regularly check for updates to Jjsploit. This ensures continued compatibility with Roblox's evolving platform and provides important security enhancements, keeping your experience as smooth and safe as possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.